we have these yellow cards?
That's a very good question, Elder Anderson. The verb card is one of the important things that you have here at the MTC, because verbs are the lifeblood of every conversation in Portuguese, and you can't guess or fake a verb. And because of the extreme importance of verbs, every missionary receives one of these yellow verb cards.
What is on the tenses and endings side?
Elder Washburn, on the tenses and endings side, you have 11 boxes, each one containing a brief explanation of a verb tense or construction that will help you speak better Portuguese. Put your greatest effort into learning how to use the present indicative, the preterite, the imperfect, and the two-word future.
What's the purpose of the section entitled Regular Verbs?
Fortunately, most verbs in Portuguese follow a regular pattern. These are called the regular verbs, and there are three forms. You got the AR verb, the ER verb, and the IR verb. All regular verbs have exactly the same endings as these three verbs on your card.
What is this large section of verbs?
Listed beneath the three sample regular verbs are 19 verbs that do not follow the same predictable pattern as the regular verbs. And that's the reason they're called the irregular verbs.
Are these all of the irregular verbs in the language?
The irregular verbs on the card are among the most common of the irregular verbs. An important thing to remember about these verbs is that they are not irregular in every form. But the forms that are irregular are in bold. You can see here. These little forms in bold indicate the irregularity of that particular verb. But all the other forms that are not in bold follow the regular pattern.
How can we best use this verb card?
The advantage of this verb card is you can start doing the verb chant with it. For example, the verb chant for falar is eu falo, ele fala, nós falamos, eles falam. Why don't you try it? Eu falo, ele fala, nós falamos, eles falam. How about the verb ser? Eu sou, ele é, nós somos, eles são.
Eu sou, ele é, nós somos, eles são.
The verb chant is extremely important to use because it prints in your memory how the verb works.